Hello guys, my name is Suchita Patel, and today I will be sharing with you my painting and my artist statement. I'll be talking about what materials I used and how I painted my art. First and foremost, I would like to share this introductory painting that I used to start my video. This specific painting describes myself and what I enjoy painting. This painting is called The Great Lakes Cycle by Alexis Rockman. I'm a person that likes to tackle global change, and this specific artist did an exceptional job portraying the environment, how it is being impacted. As you can see, there's a lot of pollution in the world and is taking a toll on the animals in the environment. I took this into consideration along with many other topics that have influenced society today since the beginning of the year, including the Australian fires, which have made the koala bear population close to extinction, and now the outbreak of COVID-19. This outbreak has caused a disaster across the world, but it has made us come closer with our families and is making the earth greener as we are staying off the roads and for our own safety. So to begin with, these are the materials that I used. I used a small painting canvas, about this big, and then I used these two small paintbrushes. One is big and one is small. I used the small one to paint like very detailed objects, and then the big one to paint a bigger landscape. And then I use this painting palette to blend colors and put the paint on there. And these are the colors that I used. I used acrylic paint. I used violet, green, orange, black, white, blue, and this is like a crimson red kind of color, and then yellow, orange, and I blended them to make brown, kind of like a midnight blue color, light blue, and pink. So yeah, these are the materials that I used. So I started with a blank canvas, obviously. I'm going to be painting something that portrays the earth. So I started with the corners and painting them black so I can shade. And then in the middle, I started drawing my earth. And in the middle, I drew a smaller circle and then a bigger circle over it so that I can make the perfect earth. And then I started shading this space with blue, and mixing a little blue and black with a little white so I can get the perfect galaxy look around the earth. This is like a perspective from space and in the galaxy. And then I finished shading, and there's hints of purple, blue, black, just a lot of shading going on, so we can capture the perfect galaxy look once again. And then I started tackling the earth and shading in white so that I can make the black lines disappear. And then I went ahead and drew a yellow outline around the earth so that it will be helpful for me to draw other colors on top. I will be going around with white as well so that it's easier for the colors to pop. And here you can see that I've shaded the yellow and white around the earth together so that when I paint the other colors on top, they will look popping and bright. And then I went ahead and colored in or painted the land masses on the earth with green. This was just light green. I did not mix any other colors together. And then I went ahead and painted the ocean. This was blue, and I did not mix any colors. And then I started drawing around the earth. I wanted to show different aspects of earth, so I started drawing the tree branches, and then on to the left or the right side I drew the base of a volcano. And now you can see that I've added the leaves on the top and the left side, and then you can see the lava flowing out of the volcano, and then you can see flowers in the bottom right corner. The pink, I mixed together red and white to make a pink color, and for the lava flowing, I mixed together orange and red, and now you can see different colors on the other side, and it just highlights the fact that there are many different colors and diversities around the earth, and that's what makes it beautiful. It's just amazing to see how different diversities, cultures, different type of people, different types of animals just come together, and that's exactly what makes the earth go round. So the reason why I wanted to paint what I painted with the earth and the trees and the volcano to the side is just to show how there are many beautiful aspects of the earth. I wanted to bring hope, especially due to our nation's current situation. There are a lot of struggles going around. There's a lot of nervousness. People are scared, and I wanted to bring hope. One of the things that I said about painting is that it brings hope. So this is me bringing hope that there have been many crises and disasters in the past, and the people in the earth have taken it and they have moved past it and they have learned from it, and this is just our chance to fight it, come together and focus on our safety, the people around us, and it's just a little message to show that the earth is still round, the earth is still greener than ever, and we just need to focus on the good things and not worry too much about the bad things. And it's okay to be scared, but right now we just need to be hopeful. I paint because it calms me and it makes the time go slow for me. It's as if there is nothing but my brush and I painting away. My ideas just come to me. I think of what I want to paint and start painting. The imagery that I use is actual and concrete. I believe that I connect more with my art when there are actual places and people or characters that I am most comfortable with and relate with. Landscapes such as night skies, mountains, waterfalls, and forests are some of the examples that I like to paint, mainly because they seem peaceful. I also enjoy painting birds and dogs and different animals. I make what I make because it is my way of expressing hope. They show my audience that not everything in the world needs to be chaotic and not everything in the world has gone to waste. There are still beauties on the planet that many people overlook and forget. I want to show my audience that we need to bring peace rather than hate. We need to spread hope and overcome our life's biggest challenges. Thank you for watching.